Good morning, guys. Getting ready to take a trade here. We've got the perfect setup. Let me just take the trade. All right. So, yeah, a lot of you guys are going to recognize this right away. So, what I was saying is perfect setup because we just got the trigger candle here. This is a fresh buy. We're up above 50 on Euro. We're up above 50 on AUD. And we've got structure of price as well. So we've got, very, very clear idea of where we want to get in, where we want to get out, and we're good. So let me go ahead. This is my 1-to-1 right there. And then as price goes on, I'm actually going to end up moving my stop up a little bit. So good trade. It's about 11 pips total. I'll come back here in just a second. I'm working on something else, and I'm gonna keep an eye on this as I'm doing that. So again, just very simple. It's a TVblast signal popped up to the upside. We've got our euro pair is up. AUD on the quote side is up. Hey guys, I just closed this trade, and it was because when I left the mic here a second ago, I looked over and this thing had already pushed down. I mean, it was, I think, my stop was like right down here. So this had already moved like 50% of the way to my stop loss. And I just see it going, if it's breaking this low here, it's got the possibility it could go lower. And I'm just not gonna rely on hope for this trade. So let's see if we've got any other trading ideas here. We just got some new signals. Let's see. Uh, let's see. All right, we've got another one here. This one looks pretty good. This is GBP JPY. Now, GBP is a little bit more bullish, but I do see a good opportunity to get in. Depending, and we'll just see as prices push down lower. I'm just gonna start watching this. Pretty much if this is that big candle right here, they gave the sell signal. And then we've got this candle here that is developing now. If in the next few candles, if we do something that looks, anything similar to like this, but I'm like, this is where I want to enter, by the way. So like, as long as we've got these lower lows here, let me see if I can get the opportunity now. It's about 12. I'm gonna go a little lower with the risk on this because we're not all the way lined up. And then I'll just kind of watch it. So yeah, the main thing I'm looking for is for price. Let's see, we've got 3 minutes left. So if this candle doesn't push straight down to where I want to enter, which is right here, but like another candle opens, all I want to do is I want to see it, continue to be going like this, right? So this is the current candle. I just want to see it going like that. As long as we're squeezing into a tight little range like that, then I'll look for a breakout to the downside. Um, just give it a second, but we got the TVblast signal. GBP bearish on the 5 minute, but not on the higher time frames. And let's see, JPY, we're in sell mode. So yeah, we'll give it a sec. I'll keep an eye on this, and then whenever we get these new signals, I'll check those too. Hey guys, let me make sure. Recording. Yep. Okay. So, we never got the let me see what happened. Okay, so this pushed up and then the next kind of push up. Okay, so yeah, I wasn't here. I had my kids are getting ready for school right now, so I stepped out. Just looking at things. We went higher. Now we're going lower. We could probably find something better. Let me just check. And this thing, oh look, it's breaking out. It's 10 pips. Man. Hmm. Let's see. So I like these type of setups where, let's see, the ATR is 5.6. I'll go for that. So 5.6, I'm gonna do 6 pips. Oops. 25, 60, right on target. See, the reason I like this is because like my stop loss is gonna be down here, but if price starts to go lower than this, I can just cut the trade because at that point price is not going up, it'd be going down. So I'm really just entering on this pullback. We've made a higher high, our low is about equal, and 5 pips makes it easy. Or 6, what I do, 6? Yeah, 6 pips. And I'm risking like a small amount as well. So as you can see, I mean, I've barely moved the needle this morning because I took that one trade and it was just um a partial winner. I closed, what was that, GBP AUD? Wonder how that turned out. Let me see. That wasn't too bad actually. I got 800 on it. So wow, it's a good thing I closed it. You see what I'm saying, you guys? You pay attention to how the market's moving and look at that. I closed it for a small profit, but it had pushed down lower, indicating prices could go lower. And so I went ahead and closed it. My TP was all the way up here. I know you guys probably can't see this, but let me highlight it. Oops. Huh. Maybe now you can. So you see, there's my TP, there's my entry. Here was my stop loss. I would have just gotten hit. My stop loss would have just gotten hit. So instead of having a loss, I ended up with an $800 profit, and that's huge. Just being able to get in, get out, and do it like that. Let's see if this is still. What's my other one? AUD CAD. I gotta go watch that. And again, see the same thing. Like I said, I've got my stuff calculated for 6 pips here. A very good chance we're gonna go 1-to-1, but again, I already have a place in mind right here where I may get out of the trade if it doesn't work out. So although I've calculated for 1-to-1, I'm almost getting a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio on this trade based on the risk. Yeah, I'll go ahead and just put this here anyways. Just keep the losses small. So we'll hold on to this one. There's when this candle here closes in a couple minutes, then we may end up managing the trade a little bit further. But until then, I'll just hold on to it. I'll be back in a second. All right, guys, looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and close this trade because there's 2 reasons. One is this candle's about to close in about 5 seconds, which means my stop loss is going to be moved up to there, which then means that if I just close the trade like right here, and there was like this much reward left, I'm not gonna be risking all this profit for that little bit of reward. So that gets us green for the day. Between those 2 trades, we're looking at a $1,500 or $1,600 win plus an $840 win, and I'm good with that right now. I've got some stuff I've got to do this morning, so I I may, if I've got time, I may hop in and grab one more trade. And if I don't have enough time, then that's going to be it for the day. But either way, I'll see you guys on the next video.